Hello students, in this video we can solve a simple problem in arithmetic progression. So let's go into the topic. So find the 11th term from the last term towards the first term of the given AP, that is 10, 7, 4 till minus 62. So if we read the question once again, we have to find 11th term from the last term, that is we have to count towards the first term, and in the given AP is 10, 7, 4 till minus 62. So from the question we have to find total number of terms in given AP since the total number is not given here. So let's go into the solution. So first, from the question we know that A is equal to, that is the first term. So we can directly write A is equal to 10 from the given question, that is 10, 7, 4, till minus 62. So A is the first term. So we can directly write A is equal to 10. So next we can find the value of D. So once again we know that D is equal to AK plus 1 minus AK. So in a simple way, that is second term minus first term. So here D is equal to, here second term is 7. So that is 7 minus first term. So here the first term is 10. So we can write D is equal to 7 minus 10. So we know that 7 minus 10, the answer is minus 3. So the value of D is minus 3 that we have got from the given AP. And next we know that from the given question A of n is minus 62. That is also given in the given question, but we do not know total number of terms in the given AP. So let's find using the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we already know that an is equal to minus 62. So we can directly substitute minus 62 is equal to a. A we know that a is the first term, that is 10. So that is equal to 10 plus value of n we don't know. So that is the total number of terms. So we can directly write that as n minus 1 n minus 1 into d. So we know that we have also know the value of d, that is the second term minus first term, that is 7 minus 10, that is minus 3. So we substituted here. So the next step will be minus 62 is equal to 10 minus that minus 3 we bring to the front. So that becomes minus into plus into minus 3 is minus 3 into n minus 1. So the next step is minus 62 is equal to 10. We have to multiply minus 3 into n. So that is minus 3n. Minus 3 into minus 1, that we get as plus. So that is plus 3. So the next step is minus 62 is equal to 10 plus 3 minus n. So the next one is minus 62 is equal to 13 minus 3n. So if we bring the 13 to the other side, since it is in minus, plus it will become minus if we bring to the other side. So the answer is minus 75 is equal to minus 3n. So if we cancel the minus sign, the answer will be 3n is equal to 75. So the simplification, n is equal to 75 by 3. Since it is in multiplication, if we bring to the other side, it will be in division. So here by dividing 75 by 3, we get the answer as 25. So now we know that there are total number of terms are 25. So there are 25 terms in the given AP. So once again, if we read the question, the 11th term from the last term will be the 15th term. How? So that is we have to find the 11th term from the last term, and that is the 15th term. So let's understand by a simple example. Let us assume, for example, there are 25 terms. So that may this, so one term, second term, third term, fourth term, and it goes on till 25th term. So from the question we know that we have to find the 11th term from the last term. So we have to count towards the first term. That is, we have to start from the end, that is from 25th term we have to count till 11th term. So here once again we have to read the question. Find the 11th term from the last term. So this is for the better understanding a simple assumption. So to find the 11th term from the last term, so here from the 25th term we have to count towards the first term. So if we count from 25th towards the 11th term, we get the 11th term in 15th term. So if we count from 25th term till 11th term, it will be the 15th term. That is 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. So this is the 11th term from the first towards the first term. If it is from the first term, we should count from 1. Since it is towards the first term, we count from the backward. So the 11th term from the last term will be 15th term. I think you have understood. So now let's go into our topic. That is, since the 11th term from the last term will be the 15th term. Now we can apply in the formula, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here a of 15 we have to find. So we can write a of 15 is equal to a is, that is 10. We already know that is the first term. So plus n minus 1 into d. So here we have to find the 15th term. So we can apply the value of n as 15. So 15 minus 1 into d. So we know the value of d is minus 3, which we have done already. So the next step will be a of 15 is equal to 10. If we bring the minus 3, it will be minus 3 into 14, that is 15 minus 1. So this is 10 plus 14 into minus 3. So here 14 into minus 3 can be written as 10 minus 42, since plus into minus is minus. So 10 minus 42. So the answer is minus 32. So now we have find the value of 11th term from the last term is 32. So once again, in this question, first we have to find number of terms in the AP and we have to find 11th term from the last term. Then by substituting the values, we get the 11th term from the last term value. That is 11th term from the last term value is 32. Hope you understood. Thank you.